George, tell me about this wonderful little car we found.
Well, just a 35 Chevy Coupe that I purchased a body and a frame and put it all together. It's just a lot of work.
Now, what kind of body was it? Was it a Brookville or a?
It's a Downs body.
Okay.
A Downs chassis.
All right. That's costly.
It's done old school more or less. It tried to keep it going.
And what kind of power plant are you?
350 ZZ4.
Okay.
With a 350 Streeter strip transmission.
All right, so 350. That's one of my favorites, man.
Yeah, we got.
Well, it's dependable.
You got a 9-inch Ford.
Yeah.
With a locker, so.
Yeah.
You got plenty of power there.
Plenty of power. So now, what color is that?
It's called Sandstorm. It's
really?
a DuPont Hot Hues color.
Okay, because I haven't seen a lot of them.
It's an old style. It's
is
an
it
old
really?
color. Yeah.
Okay. You don't see a lot of it.
No. No.
Now, how long has it been done, man?
I believe it was 06 when I got it on the street.
Now, are you drive or are you a trailer?
It's no trailer queen. I drive.
All right, I just making sure, man.
Just a few times it's been in the trailer, like here, no salt. That way I don't have it. And I'm glad I got it because we're going to get the snow.
Oh, we're going to get it, man. So. I know. But hey, we're out here having a good time today.
Yep. Trying.
Now, brother, is this the only one you got?
Yep, it's the only one.
All right, so it's the only baby at the house, huh?
It's the only baby my wife says.
That's right, man. So where are you coming in from, brother?
South Charleston, Ohio.
Okay, so a little bit of a drive.
Yeah, not too bad, though.
Not too bad, but a little bit.
Just a little.
All right, man, thank you.
You're welcome.
I met you yesterday, and I seen that picture last night when I was sitting at home. I said, I'm going to talk to him tomorrow when I see him.
All righty.
Thank you now.
You're welcome.